Samsung is gearing up to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 at its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26th. While the company has been trying to plug all the leaks surrounding its upcoming devices, it has not met with much success so far. After numerous leaks of press renders and marketing images, some Galaxy Z Fold 5 hands-on pictures also popped up on the internet last week. Now, more photos of the phone have appeared online showing its design. In the latest set of hands-on images that surfaced on Reddit, we again get a clear look at the Fold 5's cover display, back, and the revamped hinge which allows the device to close fully flat. At first glance, Samsung's upcoming foldable looks similar to the Fold 4 in these photos. However, a closer look shows the slightly redesigned rear cameras with a bigger lens protrusion and the LED flash sitting separately. There's another picture of the Fold 5's inner folding display, but due to its potato quality, it is hard to determine whether the crease is visible. From the pictures shared, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 appears to be a test unit as it contains several identifying labels on the front and back. The Redditor who shared the images got them from someone who allegedly wanted to sell the unit. Based on all the leaks and images we have seen so far, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is unlikely to pack major design changes over its predecessor. Samsung seems to have focused more on subtle refinements, including making the device appear thinner when closed and designing a zero-gap hinge. Other changes will focus on internal upgrades, like the switch to a faster and more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip and speedy UFS 4.0 storage. In addition to these online announcements, Samsung is raising awareness of Galaxy Unpacked offline. Not every Samsung customer follows the news, so the company is also advertising Galaxy Unpacked at major landmarks around the world. Today, Samsung shared a few photos from locations where it's trying to make people join the flip side through its digital signatures. If you fancy buying the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or Flip 5 when it launches, consider pre-reserving the phones right now to score a $50 credit. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.